Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. Today we're making up this super delicious chicken steak with gravy. Now I've done a mushroom gravy, but that's totally optional with some mashed potatoes. Now traditionally this dish was done with pork or beef, but I thought, it's called chicken steak, so why not do it with real chicken? And that's what we've done. Super delicious. You're going to want to make this, so let me walk you through. Okay, to kick things off, what I've got here are a couple of boneless, skinless chicken breasts. So I'm just going to go ahead and butterfly these up. And I should mention too that you can already buy these butterflied, but they're a little more expensive, so I'm just going to do my own. After they're nicely butterflied, I'm just going to lay another layer of wrap over the top. Take my pounding tool and I'm just going to pound them out a bit. Just gently, because you don't want to wreck them. After they're fairly flat, just remove the wrap, and I'm going to season these up with some salt and some ground black pepper. And of course you're going to do this on both sides. Okay, now into our dredging station. So I've got about half a cup of flour here. So we're going to make sure it's completely covered in flour. Then into the egg. This is just a couple of beaten eggs. And we want to make sure this is just fully coated. Then back into the flour. So you're kind of doing a flour double dredge here. And then we're going to set this aside in a plate. Then into some hot oil, which is about 350 degrees. Until it's crispy and golden brown. After about 3.5 minutes, I'm going to flip it over. Look how beautifully golden brown this is. And we're going to cook this for about another 3.5 minutes on the other side. It might vary depending on how hot your oil is. After a few minutes, it's beautifully crispy golden brown on the other side. So I'm just going to go ahead and set this aside on a wire rack. Alright, now it's time to make our mushroom gravy, and I'm using the same pan. I've just discarded the oil, but you've got all kinds of yummy flavors happening in there. So I'm just going to add a bit of fresh oil. Okay, after the oil, I'm going to add in 3 tablespoons of butter. And what the butter does, or what the oil does, I should say, is stops the butter from burning. Okay, after the butter is melted down, I'm going to add in about 6 chopped up mushrooms. And this is totally optional, but I just kind of like the mushrooms. And we're just going to let these cook down until they change color and the water is released a little bit. Okay, after the mushrooms have changed color and released some of the water, I'm going to add in 3 tablespoons of flour. And I'm going to give this a stir until the mushrooms are completely coated. Now, if you're not using mushrooms, you can just go ahead and add in the flour. And, just stir it around until the flour is cooked. And that kind of means so it's no longer white. Okay, what I've got here is a 1.5 cups of chicken stock. So I'm just going to add in half for now. Something like that. And then just give it a whisk until it becomes smooth and creamy. Just look at this, guys. Isn't this looking like gravy? And you want it to thicken up a little bit. Now I'm going to add in the remaining half and continue to stir until this thickens up. This is going to be incredible. And it's starting to thicken now because what I can feel is some drag on the whisk. Kind of a whisk drag. Or a drag whisk. After it's thickened up, I'm just going to kill the heat. Look at this. Yum. And that's our gravy. Now let's plate this up, beginning with our delicious chicken, followed by one of my all-time favorites, some mashed potatoes. Now you could probably use rice, whatever you like, but I like mashed potatoes. And of course, some of our delicious gravy. And of course the gravy has to go over the mashed potatoes. And to add some green and make it look nice, I'm going to add a garnish of chopped parsley. Doesn't this look fantastic? And there you have it, guys, our chicken steak with gravy. Super delicious. You're going to love this. Okay, let's give this a taste test. Oh my goodness, guys, this is super good. Crispy on the outside, the chicken's tender on the inside. The gravy is just incredible, combined with the mashed potatoes. I love it. You gotta make this. For the full scoop on this recipe and other great recipes, chicken recipes, dessert recipes, whatever you like, head on over to cookandshare.com. Lots of cool stuff over there. Thanks for watching, and thanks for subbing, and see you next time.